How to get started with Argo Workflows in healthcare. Every day in healthcare, decisions are made that impact patient outcomes, regulatory compliance, and operational efficiency. But without the right workflows, these critical processes can become bottlenecks, slowing teams down, driving up costs, and jeopardizing patient care. Argo Workflows offers healthcare organizations the power to orchestrate complex, data-driven tasks seamlessly within Kubernetes, helping automate everything from data processing to model training for predictive analytics. Now, imagine stepping into a new era of healthcare operations where workflows don't slow you down. They empower your team to work smarter and faster. This is where Argo Workflows comes in. Argo Workflows is a Kubernetes-native tool designed to orchestrate complex workflows by automating and managing each task within its own container. Today, we're going to explore how Argo Workflows can transform healthcare operations, enabling you to tackle challenges, reduce inefficiencies, and scale with ease in a dynamic healthcare environment. You don't want to miss this. Grab our free implementation guide by clicking the link in the description to learn how you can leverage Argo Workflows to bring efficiency, reliability, and scale to your workflows. This guide provides a step-by-step approach to implementing Argo Workflows in healthcare, tailored to support critical operations and streamline data-driven tasks. Start today to see how your organization can save time, reduce costs, and improve patient care with an optimized workflow system. Healthcare organizations face a unique set of challenges: strict regulations, sensitive data, and the need for precision in every workflow. Without a streamlined process, simple tasks can get delayed, critical insights can slip through the cracks, and data errors can go unnoticed. The complexity only grows when dealing with data-intensive operations like patient data processing, EHR integration, and advanced machine learning models. Manual processes and fragmented automation not only create inefficiencies but put patient outcomes at risk, resulting in longer response times, compliance concerns, and increased operational costs. Argo Workflows provides a Kubernetes-native orchestration solution designed to automate and scale even the most complex workflows. For healthcare organizations, this means being able to process data faster, manage dependencies seamlessly, and minimize human intervention in routine tasks. From large-scale ETL processes for patient data analysis to automating machine learning model training for predictive healthcare insights. By handling each task in its own container, Argo ensures optimal resource use and smooth performance, even under heavy load. With built-in error handling and retry policies, Argo can respond to any unexpected issues, ensuring workflows don't just stop because of a single failure. Getting started with Argo Workflows is straightforward. First, deploy Argo into your Kubernetes environment, which can be done in minutes. From there, begin designing workflows in YAML, mapping each step of your processes to Argo's declarative structure. Create modular templates for each workflow, like data ingestion from a secure storage bucket, data processing, and model deployment. Then, test and tune your workflows, monitoring performance to ensure scalability and reliability. Without a tool like Argo Workflows, healthcare organizations can get bogged down in manual processes, redundant data entry, and workflow delays. These inefficiencies ultimately slow down the speed at which insights are delivered to healthcare teams, resulting in longer time to treatment, delayed patient care, and compliance risks. When patient data isn't processed and available quickly, it can negatively impact decision-making, putting patient outcomes and regulatory adherence in jeopardy. Over time, the operational costs and risks compound, putting the entire organization at a disadvantage in a fast-paced, competitive industry. By implementing Argo Workflows, healthcare organizations gain operational efficiency and scalability, allowing them to automate workflows that previously took hours, if not days. This level of automation brings tremendous cost savings and minimizes human error, freeing up teams to focus on strategic work that drives healthcare outcomes. With faster access to data and insights, healthcare providers can make more informed decisions in real time, improving patient care and satisfaction. Additionally, the ability to track and reproduce workflows enhances compliance, providing an auditable trail and ensuring that all processes align with regulatory requirements. Adopting Argo Workflows doesn't just optimize current operations, it prepares your organization to scale in the future, supporting evolving healthcare needs and growing data demands. The stakes are high in healthcare. Every inefficiency, delay, or missed insight could mean the difference between early intervention and late diagnosis, between regulatory compliance and a potential violation. Operational inefficiencies and workflow bottlenecks are more than just a productivity problem. They have direct implications for patient care, team morale, and the organization's reputation. By choosing not to act, healthcare organizations risk falling behind in an industry where speed, accuracy, and compliance are essential. Embracing a tool like Argo Workflows isn't just a technological upgrade, It's an investment in better patient outcomes, more efficient processes, and a resilient future. To get the free implementation guide, click the link in the description. It's packed with step-by-step instructions to show exactly how your organization can start using Argo Workflows today. Don't wait to transform your workflows and drive the outcomes that matter. With this guide, you'll discover proven strategies to reduce workflow bottlenecks and optimize healthcare operations from day one. Empower your team to achieve more with the reliability and scale that only Argo Workflows can deliver.